wait, Ernie. I'm gonna turn the light off now, though.
Okay, Bert.
Okay, Ernie. Good night now. Sleep tight.
Good night, Bert. Sweet dreams.
Okay. Night.
What is it, Bert?
Ernie?
What?
You hear that? Sounds like water dripping, you know?
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah. That does sound like water dripping, Bert.
Yeah.
I probably left the faucet on a little bit when I washed my hands.
Oh, yeah.
That's all, Bert.
Okay.
Good night.
Ernie. Aaron, I can't sleep when I hear water dripping.
You can?
No.
Gee.
Well, will you do me a favor and do something about the sound of that water dripping now?
Okay, Bert. Yeah.
Okay.
Sure, anything for you, Bert.
Thanks.
I don't mind at all. Well, Ernie will take care of it, all right?
Good. Ernie!
I bet you can't hear that old faucet dripping now, huh, Bert?
Ernie, what is that?
That's the radio, Bert.
Ernie, the radio?
Yeah. Now, you said you couldn't sleep with the sound of the water dripping. Well, I bet you can't hear that old water dripping now, huh, Bert?
Ernie, you know I can't hear the water dripping now, but I can hear the radio. And you know what, Ernie? I can't sleep with the sound of that radio either. It's so loud. Ernie? Come on.
Here, listen, don't worry about it, Bert. I mean, old Ernie will take care of that, too. I'll do that for you, Bert.
All right.
Oh, we lost power. That's enough answer for now. Oh, good night, Bert.
Good night, Ernie. Huh. I got no time to waste, but I gotta get myself a drink. Captain Bunny Sparrow, what are you doing here? Nothing much. Me hearty. Hi, Bicky by Bay. You made me sleepy. Huh. After all the pirate adventures, it makes me want to relax. Oh, that's good. Well, I'm gonna rest too. Good night, Captain Bunny Sparrow. Good night, Bert. Wait, it's the afternoon. I get it. Well, I gotta sleep right here between you and Ernie.
After all the work makes me tired.
Yeah, same. The pirate adventures made me tired as well.